Don't launch with one video like most YouTubers do. Instead, launch with 5 videos. And on top of that, I'd say make sure those 5 videos are slightly different styles and formats while still keeping it related to your niche so you can experiment with what resonates most and double down on that for your next 5 videos and so forth. Search is going to be your best friend, especially when you're trying to get initial traffic. And a great way to get content that feeds into search traffic is to use Google Trends and use it in a way that most people don't. So go to trends.google.com, filter by YouTube search instead of web search, type in the words related to your niche and see which one is highest and start making content around that first. And this is actually a process that Nas Daily uses obsessively to grow to 30 million followers across social media. The intro is the hook. And then comes the problem, solution, and outro, which could sound like this.
Did you know that the United Arab Emirates is one of the driest countries in the world? How do they drink? That's a problem.
Yeah.
But you never thought about this problem ever in your life. But now you're interested in the solution to that problem. Then you walk them through the solution, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then there's always an outro. There's always a call to action, which is, yeah, this is really not about the Emirates or the drinking or the water or whatever. This is about water conservation all around the world and including you. So you got to make it a little bit personal.
And in that outro, it's key that you bring it back to the viewer. So if you tell a story about water conservation in the Emirates, for example, then you should think about how to conserve water in your own life so the viewer ties it back to their day-to-day. Next question. How can I improve my iPhone's camera quality without buying the newest iPhone? All right, go to settings, camera, and increase the resolution to 4K because the default is usually much lower than that. And then when filming, try to use the back of the phone camera, which is much better than the front. And a bonus tip if you're posting on Instagram, hit the 3 lines button, go to settings, account, data usage, and turn on high quality uploads, which is most usually toggled off. That's all the questions for this edition of Creator Office Hours by TubeBuddy. Make sure to comment below your questions. I'll go through them all and answer the best ones in next month's edition. See you guys then.